Happy morning, children. We are doing practice set 2.1 question number second. Decide which of the following are quadratic equations. The first one is x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. So I have written here the question. So what you have to do, we have studied the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here if you see, there should be only one variable. Here the variable is x. Here also the variable is x. And the degree should be 2. That is called as maximum index of the variable should be 2. So here the degree is 2. Here if you see the degree is 2 and there is only one variable. So it's a quadratic equation. So how the method of writing is, in this equation, or you can mention the equation if you want. In this equation, x is the only variable and maximum index, and maximum index is nothing but degree, and maximum index of the variable x is 2. Therefore, x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. This is the way to write. Now, second example, if you see, they are asking this one. Y square is equal to 5y minus 10. Is it a quadratic equation? Now, for a quadratic equation, now this is not given directly to you. So, I'll just write down the question first. See, what we will do here, if an equation is given to you, a quadratic equation, right hand side always should be 0. Right? So what we will do, if an equation is given, we should first be able to write it in standard form. Means it should be of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So for that, what I need to do, these terms I need to take it to LHS, and in the right I want only 0. So when I'm writing, I'll write y square. Here no sign means plus, so I'll take minus 5y minus 10. I'll write it as plus 10 is equal to 0. So now this equation, if you see, here there is only one variable y. Here maximum index, that is the degree, is only 2. Therefore this equation is a quadratic equation. I hope you have understood. So now only writing part. And variable is y. In this equation, y is the only variable and maximum index of the variable y is 2. Therefore, y square, now they have asked, is y square is equal to 5y minus 10, is it a quadratic equation? So what we will write when we are writing, yes, it is a quadratic equation. You can write, therefore y square is equal to 5y minus 10 is a quadratic equation. You can write like this also. Therefore, the given equation is a quadratic equation. That way also it will do. Now we will do the next example, this third one. So here I have written y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. Now we have to solve this. To solve this, first what we will do, the denominator should be same. Here nothing is there means 1. So I have to equalize it. To equalize it, what I will do, I will multiply 1 into y and y square into y, so that the denominator will become equal. Y square into y, 1 into y. plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. I hope you are getting it. Here y is there. So I want here also y. So I have to multiply numerator as well as denominator by y. If I cancel, the original values remains the same. So now y square into y, according to law of indices, the power here is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So I'll get y cube upon y plus 1 by y is equal to 2. Denominator is same. So what I can do? Just write y cube plus 1 is equal to 2. Cross multiply. Y cube plus 1 is equal to 2 into y, 2y plus 2y. Take it to LHS, it will become minus. Y cube minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So now this we have done. So if you look clearly, variable is only one, that is y. But here the maximum index we are getting it as 3. And according to the concept of quadratic equation, the maximum index should be 2. So this is not a quadratic equation. So here we will just write in this equation, maximum index, because that is not we are getting. So we will just mention here maximum index of the variable y is not 2. Like that we will write, because we want 2 and it's not 2, so we write is not 2. Therefore, the given equation is not a quadratic equation. This is the way it should be. Now here, the fourth example you can do on your own. How we did the third one, same type. Here there is x, so here also you need x. So x upon, here you want x. So what you will do? Multiply and divide by x. So you will get here x square, here x square upon x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 2. And you will be able to solve this. So I will do the fifth one. Now fifth one is a multiplication of, here this side if you see, multiplication of two binomials is equal to 0. So I'll take m here, multiply by m minus 5 plus 2 into m minus 5 is equal to 0. So what you will get? M into m square minus 5m plus 2m minus 10 is equal to 0. ठीक है? So you will get m square. Now here minus, see the variable like terms they are, but here sign is minus, here sign is plus. Signs are different. So what you will do? Subtract and put the sign of greater number. 5 is given. In front of it what sign is there? Minus. This all basics should be clear, then only you will be able to get it. So you will get m square minus 3m minus 10 is equal to 0. Now here if you see, m is the only variable and maximum index is 2. So this is a quadratic equation. So while writing, we'll write in this equation m is the only variable and maximum index of the variable m is 2. Therefore, the given equation is a quadratic equation. Okay, this way you have to do. Now, sixth example, orally you can do. X square minus 9 is equal to 13. 13 you take it to LHS, it will become minus 13. So, x square minus 9 minus 13 is equal to 0. So, x square minus 22 is equal to 0. So, this is also maximum index is 2 and 2 and variable is only 1. That variable is x. So, the sixth one is also a quadratic equation. So, this sixth sum also you can do on your own. Very simple it is.